Granted, this is a little bit different than the other, but that's okay. That's what we want. So anyway, so now I have this. If I push Control Shift D, what you saw it do is it duplicated what I just made. Really should rename this. Brick long or large. Actually, here. Let's go find our other bricks. And we went to 7. So rename, Control C, escape, come back to this one, rename, Control B, and then backspace 8. And then just to make myself not crazy, I will move this down. I'll come back to this, which is the duplicate I just made. And I will say rename B backspace 9. We'll move it up. And we'll move it over. So now I've got one set up here, and then this one up here I need to look at. So this one, let's come back to this. We'll go to solo mode now. Just say F to zoom in. F. There we go. So what we're going to do now is make some damage on it. So we can use the crack brush, which is really cool. If you click and drag, you'll see it does this nice, perfect blizzard type deal. And you can turn it and whatnot. Or you can do a sharper one, which is like this. The one I really wanted, I realized now that I did this, is not listed here. So I need to go load brush, back to D, back to tools, brushes, more brushes, and it's curve. Pretty sure. No. Sorry. Let's do load brush. Let's slash curve, sorry. There we go. That. Okay, that was my mouse. All right, so what I need to do real quick is take Enableize Customize. If you didn't know how to do this, I'll show you. Control Alt, grab this and drag it off, and now it's gone. It's still in the tools, but it's not in there. And then I'll drag, Control drag this up to here. There we go. I can hide this. Okay. So, now I can start damaging this. So let's see, if I want to make a crack, I could go look online and just figure out what I want. The one thing you want to do with brushes, and this brush makes it a little bit difficult, is try and cut with it directly on your view. And let's see, let's make this a little bit more drastic. Wow, that's ugly. Too drastic. That's pretty good. Sure. And then we'll come up to crack, and we'll do a simple around the edges here. That. And then what you can do with this one is come back in and do this and turn this a little smaller and get that a little bit more deep. And now that we're in Dynamesh, we can redraw it. Let's see if we get anything better. And we may come back in with our trim brush. Clean up some of our mess here. Drag it out. And then another thing we can do is come to our geometry, go to clay polish, and just polish it and see. See, it cleans up a lot of that little mess stuff that you may or may not want. And then let's take a big chip out of this. So I'll say Alt and drag it out. And then do this. And then do clay polish again. Maybe take our trim dynamic. Again, I want this bigger. That. Alright. Anyway, let me come back to this. Pull that in a little bit. Okay. There you go. So F. Let's unsolo everything. And there we go. So now I've got a second one. I'm not doing crazy stuff, and I noticed that I do it in the same corner. So what I'll do with this one is say E and just shift and rotate it. There we go. Now it's different. So different. Okay, so that's what I want us to do. Make 20 of these bricks. 5 of them large bricks, messed up, at least. You can do more. 5 of them large bricks, just standard. 4 or 5 of them small bricks messed up. 5 of them small bricks, just standard. This way we can start to get a variety. You can do more, you can do less. You can go ham on these things, that's fine. Whatever you need to do, we just want to get a few of these done. And 20 is a simple number, so let's start with that. After this, we'll either go into making a larger piece with using some of these, or we'll go into making a tileable texture or a tileable wall set for you to use over plenty of objects. All right, and that's it for now. I'll talk to you all in a